Simple, easy. Well, I shouldn't say simple, easy. But a sardine omelet. Drain the sardines. Put it into the beaten eggs. That's 1 can. Mash it up a little. Because we know how dry they are when you're chewing them. And this way, and you still have chunks, little pieces in there. Now to add to this, it's all optional. Parsley, finely minced onion. You don't have to put the onion, you don't have to put the parsley. And lastly, and you also don't have to put the chopped Kalamata olives. But for me, all of this is going to have a nice flavor together. And no salt, because Kalamata olives are salty, sardines have salt in them. Unless you want to put, then you put. And this is going to be a nice sized omelet with all of these ingredients building it up. Let's hope that it works the way I want. So now we go over to the pan, which is getting hot. A couple of tablespoons of butter. Even though it's a non-stick, I want the flavor of butter, and it just works easier. I have my plate ready. I have some field greens on the plate, optional. I think it'll just go well. Now the flame is high and we get everything in there. And I hope this moves the way I expect it to move. Treating it just like a regular omelet by pulling the sides and getting the, well, it's not working that way because there's a lot of ingredients in there. So we'll lower the temperature a little, like so. And we will wait. But we will assist it by putting a lid on it. Then as I slowly see it firming a little, we can just flip it. That's why everything went into the egg mixture instead of, you know, putting the eggs in there and then laying in there whatever you want. This is going to get folded over a few times, hopefully the way I want. I have to replace this non-stick pan. That's it. Lower the flame. Very low, see that? And let it just finish cooking. You have to enjoy sardines. I like the sardines, yes. Sometimes the flavor's a little strong depending on what you're eating it with. So that's why I added a couple of more items to this. And it's a good thing I wasn't thinking about putting cheese in there, because it really wouldn't have worked out well. Now, if you like your eggs well done, just leave it in there, very low flame, and then when you push on it, If there's no reason, if it feels hard, then you know it's done. So I know it's boring watching this until its completion, but let me examine this. I like soft eggs, so I'm going to, see, that's not soft, that's raw. So let's go about there. That wasn't so difficult. Now at least when you put it on the plate, all that raw egg that's on the side there will be cooked. And I think that's good enough for me. Now I can just slide it. Nice aroma. My wife can't stand the smell of sardines. She left the house, so now I'm making this. And I figured the field greens will give it a nice touch. Not on the side, right over it. And there's my breakfast this morning. Hope you enjoy it.